Self-practice 4.12, question 2. Convert each of the following to natural log and evaluate them. Okay, natural log means log base e. So you want to convert base means you write log e over log e. The big number you put on top, small number you put down. Okay, then later we type in our calculator. Okay, this one is the same, log base e over log base e. 3, 2, 4, 9. C log e over log e. 3, 7, 9, 20. Okay, so one more way of writing log base e is ln. So we can just write this as ln 225 over ln 7. This will be ln 324 over ln 9. This will be ln 379 over ln 20. Okay, so if you already know like log base e is ln, right, straight away you don't have to write this. Straight away you can just convert to ln 227 over ln 7. Okay, but I just want to show you how to write. Okay, so here in our calculator we have this button called ln. So here you can type ln 225 divide ln 7. So you get 2.7833. I take more decimal places here. Ln 324 divide ln 9. You get 2.6309. And lastly, we have ln 379 divide ln 20. 1.981980. Done. That's it.